Hello scholars, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. I am Deepa Kataria, Maths educator from Countryside International School. So scholars, today we will discuss on the last topic of our second unit, that is addition and subtraction. Okay, so today we will discuss about finding of the cost price and selling price. Okay, before starting with the example, we will see this model. This model will help you to remember the formulas easily. Okay, we have already studied about profit and loss. We know that we get profit when selling price is greater than cost price, and we get loss when cost price is greater than selling price. Now we will learn how to find the cost price and selling price when these terms are given. So let's start. Okay, see, if we want to find selling price, if cost price and loss is given, at that time you have to subtract cost price and loss. If we want to find selling price and cost price and profit is given, at that time you have to add cost price and profit. Okay, this is formula for finding the selling price. Now we will see the formulas for finding the cost price. Okay, if we want to find cost price when selling price and profit is given, at that time we have to subtract this. And if we want to find cost price when selling price and loss is given, at that time we have to add this. We will see these with the help of examples. Okay. Okay, so scholars will start with the first example. Let's see. A shopkeeper sold a mug for rupees 70 and made a profit of rupees 30. Find the cost price of the mug. So what is given in the statement? That shopkeeper made a profit of rupees 30 after selling the mug at rupees 70. What we need to find? We need to find the cost price of the mug. Okay, so first of all we will write what is given in the statement. Okay, see, cost price of the mug is rupees 70. Profit rupees 30. What we need to find? We need to find the actual cost price of the mug. Okay, so what is formula for finding the cost price when selling price and profit is given? So the formula is over here. See, we have to subtract selling price and profit. Okay, so cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. What is selling price? Rupees 70. And what is profit? Rupees 30. So we will subtract rupees 70 minus rupees 30, which is rupees 40. So what is the actual price of the cup? So the cost price of the cup is rupees 40. How do we check that? See, the cost price is rupees 40 and what is profit made by the shopkeeper? That is rupees 30. So when we will add this rupees 30 and rupees 40, we will get the selling price. So rupees 30 plus rupees 40, which is equal to rupees 70. Okay, see, and the selling price in the statement is given is rupees 70 only. So the cost price of the mug is rupees 40. So now we'll start with the second problem. Okay, let's start. Reena sold a mobile for rupees 9,000 at a loss of rupees 2,000. Find the cost price at which she bought it. Okay, so what is given in the statement? It is given that Reena made a loss of rupees 2,000 by selling the mobile for rupees 9,000. What we need to find? We need to find the actual cost price of the mobile. Okay, so first of all we will write what is given in the statement. Selling price of the mobile is 9,000. Loss is equal to 2,000. Okay, and what we have to find? We have to find cost price. So what is formula for finding cost price when selling price and loss is given? See, cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Okay, so selling price is 9,000 and loss is 2,000. So we will add this to get the cost price. So when we will add 9,000 and 2,000, which is equal to 11,000. Therefore, Reena brought the mobile for rupees 11,000 and sold it for rupees 9,000, in which she made a loss of rupees 2,000. Okay. Now we will learn to find the selling price when profit or loss is given. Okay, so let's start. Okay, see, A shopkeeper bought the books for rupees 100. On selling it, he made a profit of rupees 10. Find the price at which he sold the books. Okay, what is given in the statement? Bought means the cost price of the books is equal to rupees 100. On selling, he made a profit, and profit is given. Okay, that is of profit of rupees 10. And what we need to find? We need to find the selling price of the books. Okay, so what is given? First of all, we'll write that cost price is equal to rupees 100, profit is equal to rupees 10, and we need to find the selling price. So what is formula for finding selling price when cost price and profit is given? So see, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. We need to add cost price and profit to get the selling price. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, that is rupees 100 plus rupees 10, which is equal to rupees 110. So the selling price of the books is equal to 110. It means the shopkeeper sold the books for rupees 110. Okay. So scholars, let's start with the last example of the topic. Okay. See, Ram bought a television set worth rupees 40,000. He sold it suffering a loss of rupees 5,000. Find the selling price of the television set. What is given in the statement? Okay, it is given that Ram suffered a loss of rupees 5,000 on selling the television set which he had brought for rupees 40,000. And what we need to find? We need to find the selling price of the television set. Let's start what is given in the statement. First we will write that cost price is equal to 40,000. Loss is equal to 5,000. Okay, now what we need to find? We need to find the selling price. So what is formula for selling price when cost price and loss is given? See, selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. So selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. That is 40,000 minus 5,000, which is equal to 35,000. Okay, so selling price of television set is rupees 35,000. Okay, that means Ram sold the television set for rupees 35,000. So scholars, we will recap of all the formulas we have learned so far. Okay, let's start. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Okay. Next is selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Okay. Okay scholars, we have completed our unit 2 over here. We will be starting revision videos soon. Till the time scholars, revise both the units properly. Try to make your own sums on different concepts and keep doing practice of maths regularly. Thank you scholars.